Alexies, it's me Alexi, and today we are going to be playing Airplane Story 1. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to play Airplane Story 1 and see if we can make it. But if I die, I'll just go to back to the bit and then start recording again if I die like somewhere in the point of the game. But yeah, so like on my last video I played with my friend called Crystals, and sometimes when we play Airplane Story, sometimes maybe she can appear like in some of my videos when I do it. So this is going to be part 1 of Airplane Story 1. So I'm going to be doing part 1, 2, 3, and 4, and maybe 5 and 6. So sometimes I might be recording other videos like for different games, but yeah. So this is part 1, and stay tuned if you want to see part 2, 3, and all the other parts. So I see like so many people are going in here, so I'm going to like go in here too. I'm going to see you guys when we load into the game. Okay, so we're in the game now, and we're going to find our seat now. It's I-13. Okay, I-13. I wonder if someone's going to sit next to me too. Wait, I-13. I am, okay. Let's see if anybody's going to sit next to me. Please sit next to me. Okay. Come on, someone at least sit next to me. How about Melissa girl? Where's she sitting? We are currently flying at an altitude of 333 feet above sea level. Where it looks good. Arriving in no time. Okay. Maybe I want to explore, but I kind of don't. Will this take long? I forgot. Let's just, can we like open these? Oh no. I want to use the restroom. Oh, that sucks. I wish I could have like maybe first class, so it'd be cool, but it's Robux and I'm broke, so we can't. Now, please find your seat. Okay, come on, come on. We gotta get back. Oh no, I can, okay. I hope we make it because further in the story that there's like things things happen, and then I really don't want to get those things or die because I don't know, because I just hope we make it so I don't have to record over and over again, like pause the video and stuff. But I'm hoping maybe tomorrow Crystal would be free, so maybe we could play like Airplane Story 2 together. Because sometimes she is a kind of bit busy and stuff like that. And I'm always free, so I have the time to make you guys videos every day. Yesterday I did like post like 2 videos, but that's fine. Like I was just kind of bored and stuff. Oh, I got a sandwich. Let's just eat it. No, no, why did I eat that? Why did I eat that? I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Why did I eat it? Can I find my own bag? Come on. Come on, please find it. Oh, thank you so much. I have the blue bag now. Phew, that was a close one. I should never do that ever again. I don't know why I did that. I was close to dying. I'm going to say thanks. Okay. I'm going to look on this side to see if the doors are open. If if snakes come and stuff. It's night time. I like the music. It's nice and soft. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Okay. Are you going to say anything else or no, Captain? Come on, get off the floor, people. Seriously, something's going to happen. Just come where I am or like where the other people are. Because that's not really a good place to be. Like the second front row, the first row at the right. I don't know. Guys, look what that is on the right hand window seat thing. Say something, monster. You will not survive. Of course. Are those snakes? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I shouldn't be that loud to be honest because I live in a flat and people can hear me. So I shouldn't. More, which restroom is open? Come on, no, let me get up. Let go. This one's open. Phew, I'm in the restroom. Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly, we will be safer there. Aren't all the restrooms on planes open? And like on board, all of them are closed. So they only open this, especially, so they throw out snakes in the plane and then they only open this one restroom. What if someone has to actually do their business? Oh well, maybe we shall not look at that. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Maybe not when you're on the toilet. Okay. Can we get out of the laboratory now? Please? We have weird people here, to be honest. Oh my gosh, this person's almost like dead. He's like hardly like breathing maybe. Okay. Oh no, this is where they get the masks. I'm going to like say power's back up. And the snakes are gone too. Thank gosh. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Maybe. But I'm relieved that it's gone. Your attention passengers, I have good news and bad news. What's the bad news? I don't know. The good news is the power's back up. And the bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Awesome oxygen masks will drop out. Okay, I got one. Good. Who's going to get the last oxygen mask? Oh my. Oh wait. Oh no! The dark side person. I know he's gonna die. Or is R.I.P. the person. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Okay. Okay. I really need to go to the toilet. Why? Can the restrooms open, please? What's gonna happen now? And oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, I'm so lucky I do have. Looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do? Okay, everyone, calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cables, we might be able to save that guy. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. Okay. Which cable should I cut? Cut the red or blue? I don't know. Blue. Please don't cut the wrong cable because seriously, what happened? Oh, that's bad. He didn't make it. How dare you! You cut the blue cable and you made your friend die. I'm not sure if it's okay or not. Like, a person died. I wonder where the dead body is now. Did it just like rise up or something? We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything's okay. Oh, they look. I found them. They're unconscious. Oh, we need to alert the captain. Well, is the captain okay then? Quickly get to the captain room. It's locked. Of course it is. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. If we find it, it might be able to open it. We might be able to open it. I found the code. I wish I did. Oh, the monster just came. It's the creature. You will pay for what you've done. You think you are here on accident, but you're not. Are you sure about that? I brought you here. No, you didn't. We came here for a vacation to somewhere. I don't know where though. I brought you here, all of you. That is not possible. Yeah, that's true. It is. And now it's time to die. See you in the See you in the afterlife. Maybe not. Well, you never know. Okay, so what do we do now? The captain is unconscious as well, so the creature done all of this. Okay. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? Come on, click. We can click these buttons. We need to find the autopilot button. This captain has so many buttons, like, bruh. Can we, like, press them now? Click everything and find that button before we die. Yeah, we can do it. No. Gosh. Gosh. Good. I bet they're both on iPad. It's so hard to click like on computer. We did it. We saved the plane. Good. It has been a very crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Well, maybe not because you're going to be in a different country now. Sadly. Now what? Now all we need to do is find the emergency button. Emergency phone. I want to speak to it. Darling. Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious and our crew members. Don't worry, we'll get you home in no time. Is everything okay? Those are the same airport. Those are the same crew members. They look alike. Yes, we're okay. Autopilot mode is on. What does autopilot mean? Like, I'm so confused. Okay, we'll track your location now. We are taking control. Okay. There's one last task I have for you. We are children, I think. I'm not sure. Teenagers. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside of the captain. Yay, I'm going to do it. I hope. Hold on. No! I wish I could. But that's fine. Please do the good ending, because last time I played this, I got the bad ending, sadly. Come on, you can do this. A spider boy like spiders. Come on, you can do this. Okay, everyone, I got this. Oh, okay. Oh no, it is back. Oh no. Wahahaha! You humans are funny. No. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance, Spider Boy likes spiders. I love that name. Crash this plane and we will rule the underworld for entirety. Entirety. I don't know. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. Good. You shall save this plane. You humans are so weak. Are we? So weak? This is not the last time you see me. Mwahahaha. Yeah, because there's going to be Aeroplane 2 that is going to come up tomorrow, hopefully. It's gone. Wait, he said he said it was not the last time we see him. What did he mean? I have no clue. Who cares? Let's get back home now. I'm about to throw up. Please just go to the restroom then if you're going to throw up. Yes, thank you, Spider Boy that likes spiders. Thank you so much for saving the plane and giving us a victory. So, that has been a very good video and game playing. So, I'm very happy now that we did it. And yeah, tomorrow I'll record again. I'll make another video, but it's going to be part 2, and hopefully Crystal will join us too. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, Pixies.